Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Bridget here. Today I'm just going to show you how to make a very simple beef pot roast that's made in most of our Anglo-Indian homes on a regular basis. Nothing very exotic about it. You would need around 1 kilo of beef from the round portion. You season this with pepper and salt. Rub everything well, okay, so that it gets into the meat. Then you heat a little oil in a pan and add a few sticks of cinnamon, cloves, and 2 red chillies. Now you add the beef to it and sear on high. So what you could do is keep turning the meat each time so that both sides get seared completely. So once you feel that both the sides are seared well, so you could see the lovely color. You could add in some potatoes and some water. And now you just cover and simmer for around 45 minutes till your meat is tender. You could open occasionally and turn it over. You could also remove the potatoes once they are nicely cooked and keep it aside in a plate. Okay, just remove the potatoes. Sorry, the video is jumpy. So once you remove all your potatoes, now you raise the heat and you dry up the gravy that was in the pan. And once it's nicely browned all over, you could switch off the heat and once again add in your potatoes. So you can see that the gravy is all dried up and you add in your potatoes once again and then you switch off. Let your roast settle for some time before you serve it. And there you go. Your beautiful Sunday pot roast is ready. Makes excellent sandwiches or just enjoy it with bread. So if you like this video, please do like and share it. And as always, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching. Take care and God bless.